Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are drawing a beautiful blender and kitchen utensils, so let's get started. Draw the base of the blender with rounded corners. Draw the bottom feet of the blender. Draw the lid on top of the jar. Draw the pouring spout on the left side. Add the vertical lines inside the jar. Add a large circular button in the center of the base. Draw the handle on the right side. Draw a fork on the right side of the plate. Next, draw a large round plate. Make small heart in the middle. Draw a spoon on the left side of the plate. Thicken all the outlines. Red cherry color. Orange color.
I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Yellow color.
A green and yellow basket.
Pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Light green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink crayon.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Aqua blue color.
I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Dark green color. Red color. Dark blue color. Purple color. Purple crayon. Yellow crayon. light pink crayon color. color. Wow, kids, our drawings are looking so beautiful and gorgeous. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, friends. See you in the next fun drawing. Take care and bye-bye.